So now that we've seen the deployment part, let's first look at Redis feature flag. So what I've done here is I've just cat the inventory. This is our inventory, and I am going to the master, because the master is going to have the Redis master installed. So I've SSH'd into that, and I've just gone to Redis CLI. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set feature flag to be true. So once we hit the API endpoint now, it should say, okay, feature flag, beta feature up and running. So that's what it says. Now if I went to API new feature, it says, okay, wow, beta feature up and running. Let me toggle the flag off. So let me set the feature flag to be false. And let's see what is the case. So now it says this feature is not available in your region yet. We can try this in another instance also. This is a stable instance. So let me just go to API new feature. It should say this feature is not available in your region yet. So that's what happened. So our Redis feature flag is working perfectly well. Now we need to look at the load balancer and canary part. So if I just do an ls here, I have the polling balancer code available. So let me just run the Node.js app to start the polling balancer. So what it's doing is it's polling the canary instance continuously. That is this instance, the 59 instance. This instance has canary on it. And as of now, we can see it's up and running. Let's go to the IP of this the Redis master. That is the master that has our balancer code, and see if we can access it. So I'm going to go here. The port that we've set up to use is 3002. Let me just switch logs so that you can see what logs show up. So here I'll go to 3002, and it got rendered, and as of now it came from a stable instance. Let me refresh again, a stable instance. So here you can see suddenly it got rendered from the canary instance. Again, it got rendered from the canary instance. So it's basically fulfilling requests by toggling between different IPs like .59, which is canary, and 121 and 207, which are stable. So now we need to set an alert. So for that, what we'll do is we'll go to this this machine 54.59, which is our canary instance, and we'll do forever stop all. So let me go to this machine and SSH into it. So now we are inside our canary instance. I just do a forever stop all. Now if I go here, what we see is that polling failed alert. So now it's on changed. Now let me refresh again. Now it's going to show only open science, and if I keep refreshing also, it's only routing to the stable instances. That is, all the traffic is getting routed to .121 or .207, which are our stable instances. Thus we have demoed the canary release also. That's all for checkboxio. Thank you.